interlopers, welcome to the video. Today's farm edition. Just look at these farms for a minute. I think these are roosters. Wait, look at that one. I think that one's having eggs. Oh my. Look at that big one right there. Next one. Oh, look at that peacock. Look at the peacock. It's so cute. I think this one is a mate. Both boys. These are so cute. They're cuddled up. I'm gonna touch one pig's ear. I already did this, just saying. I have to be quiet. I'm scared to feed it the black goat in my mouth.
One.
You have to wait to say.
Oh yeah.
I'm done. Dang it! One piece behind! Alright, done. Wanna try the other
Chris's creepy tunnel. It's a bit creepy, and it's not very high. Let me just turn off. If this is good camera, man, like if this is nice camera angling, then just comment down below, cause I'm not actually doing this. I'm wearing my chest plate. What's that? Ooh. Oh, that's weird. Why are there like little holes? Oh my god, guys. I found a hole to that rest of the barn. You see that? I found a hole to the rest of the barn. Want to show you something? Another hole. Wait, this is creepy. Look at that. You can see that for sure. It's just not missing. Oh gosh. Jeez. Just got jump scared. I felt like. I think we're at the end now. I'll go back over and see if there's anything I missed, so do you want to be in the video? Yeah. Say hi to YouTube. Hi to YouTube.
Hurry, hit the button inside this red. Red? Every time we hit the big red button is a good idea.
Aim first.
Yep. Gotta aim a little higher. It doesn't shoot like a gun, it's gonna hurt. So. Oh! That's really good. Well done.
That one had a little bit more bounce to it, a little bit thin.
Which one do you think goes better?
What are you doing?
Corn angels.
Corn angels.
Record.
He's got it figured out, doesn't he?
Cats are, of course, my favorite animal, as you can see. This is the third one. One there. Show the camera. There's one, the black one. And then there's this one. 3 cats. I love them, but still, it's kind of crazy. This one's nice and warm. So, yeah. So right now we are going into the corn maze. Got a picture. So yeah, we just started. There's a couple feet behind us. There's a whole corn plant that fell down. What is going on? So yeah, I'm gonna lead the way. I'm going this way.
Which way?
That way.
Okay.
So we're now going that way. Look at the camera. Okay, so we're now going. Show them. So we're now going this way. Left and right. And right. So right's right. What did I say? Right. Stop. Keep going. I can't run. Cameraman's messing with you. Sit. If you like the cameraman, just say hashtag cameraman or no cameraman in the comments below. That'll let me know if you want the camera. Find a random patches of dead corn, and oh my god, is that the end? Wait, is that the end? Wait a second. I think it's the end. Yay! We finished the maze! It only took 14 minutes. So yeah! Cut.